Tuesday's storm is extending the season for New England ski areas. 22 News reporter Mike Mascadrilli stopped by Berkshire East in Charlemont, where he found perfect conditions for skiers.
The storm is making for great skiing conditions at Berkshire East and other ski resorts. Berkshire East and Charlemont received about 15 inches of natural snow Tuesday. Berkshire East stayed open during the storm and had a few hundred die-hard skiers and riders on their slopes. The ski resort groomed most of the trails today, creating packed powder conditions.
That's kind of exactly what I hoped for. We got a ton of snow last night. I braved the storm and went to work, and it was absolutely worth it for the vacation day to be here and do some excellent skiing.
The ski resort had been making a lot of snow in February with recent temperatures in the 20s. Berkshire East Gabe Porter Henry told 22 News he's encouraged by the forecast for more cold weather, which means the good skiing will last a while. They plan to be skiing into April. Live from the Franklin County Bureau in Greenfield, Mike Mascadrilli, 22 News.